Step into the 2013 Ford Transit Connect. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 2 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.